Hi everybody. In this video, what we want to do is give our team member the site administrator's role. What this allows your team member to do is access the same site settings as you have currently yourself. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the left-hand navigation panel once again and head on to the site admin dashboard. Once there, you're going to select the first navigation option, which is user management. And you're going to head on to the assign role panel and you're going to hit the first option called assign site role. Once here, you'll see that there are two site roles, but we're just focusing on the first one, which is called site admin, which I'll go ahead and click on right away. And here I can see the full list of site admins on my site, and I can see all the users that have been added. And what I'll go and do is select my team member over there. If I have multiple, I can hold down the shift button and click on a few names, but I'm just going to want to go ahead and add my team member. And I'll go and click the add button. And I'll see that my member has been given the site admin privileges. And this will upgrade them from the learner role to the site admin role, and they'll be able to access all the site-wide options.